Hello guys, this is the new speaker from Sonos. This is the Era 300. This speaker has a new system to open it, no tapes, no glues, nothing. Just you slide these buttons and you uncover the speaker. It's very easy and you can reuse the box after. So this is the Era 300, totally new design. It's a Dolby Atmos music speaker, so it's 3 let's say 0.1 channels. Has no HDMI input, takes the music from the streaming services, for example Apple Music or Tidal or Amazon Music, in order to listen 3D audio. And it comes like this. It has speakers all over except on the bottom and on the back side. It has 4 tweeters and 2 mid woofers, big ones, the woofers, oval shape. So it fires up music. This is the inside. I check it, I open it, and it was exactly like this. Let's have some idea. That was a true play with 4 microphones. It's the calibration correction system according to our room, so we don't need let's say the mics of our smart device or smartphone. The speaker has 4 microphones in order to check our room, so every time that we change position of the speaker, we can run the true play through the Sonos app. The power cable goes like this. It's a Bluetooth speaker as well.
Channel check. Left channel. Channel check. Right channel.
It has an analog input, but we have to buy the adapter. It does not come in the box. We'll continue the listening session.
We were good and be so. We were right till we weren't.
And you made my heart pound. You know, like Tupac.
So all the buttons are touched one. There is a slide to control the volume of the speaker. It's very nice. 6 drivers inside, as we said. Even though it's compact, it's very heavy.
Now it's 1999, everybody's feeling fine, and my work is almost done.
We did the recording with a special professional mic. That's all guys, thanks for watching.